Okay.
Wait, did you stop it?
Yeah, go.
Wait, is it recording?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah, the time is going.
No!
You called me a failure.
Oh, okay, I'm gonna try it again.
Alright, let's go. Go do it.
Okay, alright.
I can't do the part, but oh my god. We get really bored, don't we? Okay, I'm gonna try the part. Alright, ready? Let's go outside. Let's go right here.
Okay.
Oh god, my mom's gonna be like, you're so stupid. Okay. Marky. Okay. Alright, well, that was a fail because my mom is right there. But, you know what, we should make videos like... Hold on. Somebody's at the door. Make videos like, hey guys, so today we're gonna do this, or just like for ourselves.
Yeah, you should make a YouTube account.
Oh, God! I know, that'd be fun. Oh my god, that would be really fun though.
His pajamas are super cute. I got him today.
Cool.